coming in for Cummins India. Their conference call is going on and they've increased their guidance for the domestic business to 10 to 12% versus 8 to 12 odd percent earlier. We have Anisha joining in to give us more details on this. Anisha, it was largely an inline set of numbers, but this is a big positive coming in.
Well, yes, Ekta, overall the management commentary is sounding positive. They talked about the strong cash flow generation, and as you mentioned, the key takeaway is the guidance on the domestic business, which they have increased to now 10 to 12% growth versus the band they had given earlier of 8 to 12%. The export guidance remains the same. They said that the exports can be flat with a downward pressure to it, but this is what already the street is aware of. We know that even the international business, the Cummins parent, is not performing very well as far as exports is concerned. North America is down some 45%. China and other economies also have seen a degrowth. In fact, they shared the Q1 numbers. They say that the power generation domestic business has grown by 12%. The industrial business therein has grown by 10%. The auto business as well as grew by 15%. Now, all these numbers look fairly healthy. Exports have declined by 22%, but as I mentioned, all of this has been factored in. So the positive news coming in is that the management is sounding very bullish on the domestic economy front, and that is why they have raised the guidance.
All right, Anisha, thank you very much for that. That's Cummins for you. Stocks up about 2%, reacting to that